Meaning of faith healer.
Faith healer.
Faith healer.
Faith healer.
Faith healer. A faith healer is a person who uses their religious or spiritual beliefs to attempt to heal people's physical, mental, or emotional ailments. They may use prayer, laying on of hands, or other rituals as part of their healing practice. The effectiveness of faith healing is a topic of debate and is not scientifically proven. Some people believe that it can provide comfort and hope, while others view it as a form of deception. Ultimately, whether or not faith healing works is a matter of personal belief and individual experience.